Hey man, say man. Hey man, it's your boy Rashad, man. I'm back with another YouTube video, man. Say, I'm at this car show. It's about to go live. About to get y'all this content, about to get y'all this footage. Say man, y'all know what y'all got in store today, but nevertheless, I'm gonna show y'all the fit, to show y'all how I'm stepping. I'm a big stepper around here, man. Say, show y'all how I'm stepping, man. Show y'all the drip for the day. Yeah, show y'all the kids for the day.
When I leave in, bitch, I got a bitch on. I be paranoid the fuck you can't get on. I might jump on the stage with a stick on. That cornerback women gotta pick on.
My boy said they threw all the hood shit in the back, man. They don't want to put the hood shit in the front, man. They got all this lame ass shit up here. But yeah, I like this Tundra though. Something about Tundra, gang. I want a Tundra. Like, it's something about a Tundra. Like, it's look at that. It's what it is, man. It's like, got it powder coated. I see. They got the heat. I don't know what they're saying. They're trying to copyright it. I'm gonna show y'all why they put us on it. Why they put us in the bag. Last year, they weren't in the bag.
No, wait. Tell him to go do his hydraulics on the beach.
I already got him on film before.
You ain't got none.
You ain't got me. Come on, let's go look at that. You done put my shit on there.
They put us in the bad way. Muddy, they got fucking shoes and shit up, man. I ain't fucking with this shit. I don't see me filming too much longer. Shit now. A whole lot of motherfucking C4 business in this bitch. There's a whole lot of motherfucking C4 business. We got this ugly ass nigga. What's up, a whole lot of C4 business. Whole lot of goddamn C4 business. Whole lot of goddamn. And they got that. And they got that money over there, y'all.
Oh, you know we
They got that money over there. We got GMV versus him. Base competition, baby. It's gonna go down.
Why y'all want to play the same song? Play the same song.
Yeah.
Y'all play the same song, we turn both on.
I would say T-Pain go low because it's a slow song and the bass does this between the two chords. But that's on me.
Both y'all play the same song.
T-Pain go low. Come on, Alex. T-Pain go low.
Yeah, I got you.
That's what you putting on, Chris.
I'm gonna touch in my stomach and say that to him.
That bitch just came and banged from nowhere. Hey, come down here to do it.
That's why.
Nah, it's go low.
Nah, play that hoe. Yeah.
Play that. You can play that.
Play that hoe.
What, this? Yeah, that one. That's it. That's it.
Stop playing. Who? Don't worry about if I carry him around. If I didn't have one, you'd be mad. Don't worry about that. I got that. T-Pain. Baby, give me your reason so I can touch you how I want to. Touch you how I want to. Make love to you how them other lame niggas want to. Come on, girl, what you want to? Walk a nappy head. You can walk a nappy trees if you want to. Shawty, I'ma put it on you. And make you think that you the girl that I be singing on my songs to. You got me thinking that me and you in the drinking with the sipping that Patron with the pen that got it on. I'm a now with the Jesus. And she ain't thinking that I love it.
Man, I'm motherfucking looking at come on.
You didn't expect me to go along. Now you know. Let's go from the top to the bottom. Now that I got you, oh, this. Now I know. Just turn you around,
Turn your shit on. Turn your shit on. Go low T-Pain. Go ahead.
That's his time, y'all. Y'all be the judge. Y'all can't hear what I hear, but y'all see it.
I know, right?
My train, right?
It's like y'all be talking shit. See what I'm at?
My kids. He can see.
Man, go ahead and let it sit there so you can say the eyelashes up at
Where you been from?
Hey,
say. Where you been from?
Oh, no, he bought that.
I don't know.
Don't worry about that. I got that. T-Pain.